another banger. All right, y'all. Today we're eating cabbage, turkey wings, beans, and rice and gravy.
Let's
So
say
y'all,
I got a
come on, I got a grace. Say it, dear.
God is good. Happy, thank you for this food. Ball head, we be fed. Thank you, God, for this daily bread. Amen.
Amen. Y'all like my hair? Yeah, I'm rocking the natural. Yes. So y'all gonna tear this food up.
Look at my hair.
We gotta put her some beads or like borax or something on there.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
We'll do that in the morning before she go to school. But y'all, get into this.
I'm not gonna eat the red beans.
Get into that turkey wing. Oh, get into it. Yeah, I cooked everything. It's so good. It's good, Liam?
Definitely this is good.
Happy Sunday to everybody. Yeah, this food good. Real good. We got water. Yeah, yesterday I went to the birthday celebration.
For real? Is it somebody's birthday? A grown-up birthday? Oh. No kid was allowed?
Nope. And I enjoyed myself. You hear me?
Pass this way.
I enjoyed myself.
Yourself or your
I enjoyed
friends?
Everybody.
Your friends?
Yes, I enjoyed my friends. I enjoyed everybody.
You've been making new friends?
I met new people. I went to a Brazilian restaurant in off Montrose.
That's far away.
Yeah, it's far from us. So you're gonna do good in school this week? Yeah, the teachers be calling me almost
every day. My dog is right here.
They call me a lot for her. And I don't think I'm I can't deal with that, you know? You're supposed to go to school and do good. How your grades good, but your conduct not.
Look at my nails. London had painted.
I just don't understand.
My cousin London painted my nails.
Yeah, this food good.
Look at the smoke. Oh, y'all don't see that smoke. It's invisible.
If y'all like turkey wings, comment down below.
Look, Mama. Mama.
My son in his room. He ain't want to do the video. So y'all, I browned these chicken wings, then I baked them. And they're so good.
I've crushed myself in the ball. I don't know why.
Hold on. Whew. One of them little bones went down the wrong way.
Hi. Oh, you get done, you gonna finish that movie?
Yeah, I'm watching Bel Air.
Bel Air.
And I'm into it.
Bel Air. Bel Air.
I eat that medium rice. I'm eating like a big kid.
Yeah, the rice is good, but it don't got no flavor. Especially this, because this just don't.
So you talking about my food?
Not your food. Very good. Every time these red beans, they are good.
My food?
Better
No.
than school food.
I didn't put you a lot of gravy on there.
What is gravy? This gravy?
From the meat.
Oh.
Now look.
She done.
I wasn't playing. I ain't come to play. I ain't
My
come
dog right
to
here.
play.
No.
Baby, this hell.
Let them see my dog.
People be thinking I have perms and stuff on my head. Baby, perm well. Relaxer well. Not here.
Let them see my dog. It's right
This
here.
is natural. Natural.
Let them see my dog.
They already seen him.
No.
No, you done eating?
No.
Well, you better come on. Y'all, my nails. Look at my nails. They match my shirt.
Look my nails.
She's trying to match me. But yeah, so y'all, give this video a thumbs up if y'all like this video. Comment down below and let us know how y'all feel. Tell a friend, tell another friend, and y'all keep them subscribers rolling in. Yeah, that way. I'm just kidding. Girl, what is wrong with you? She doing too much.
Excuse me.
Yeah, she doing too much. You ain't gonna talk to the people?
Okay.
Yeah, we look like, is this my twin? Like mama, like daughter, huh? Yeah, I think we're gonna do a video with, I'm gonna do another video with just my daughter. We'll do something like mama, like daughter. We dress alike, have our hair alike, and
I'm gonna have my hair
might
like
do like
that.
a seafood ball or something.
No,
No, you're not doing your hair like this. You're not getting no flat iron, baby. No. If anything, I do my hair like that. I put my hair in a whole bunch of plaits, like yours.
Yes. Yes.
Baby, ain't letting no more on this plate.
You can have that.
I bet as soon as the sweet beans, you would have ate them. These ranch style beans, they're not sweet.
I just like the meat.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna close this video. We'll see y'all on the next video. We love y'all and we thank y'all so much for all the support, all the love, all the views, all the comments. If you was thinking about commenting, if you was thinking about viewing, if you was thinking about liking, we appreciate y'all. We love y'all.
If you was thinking about sharing.
Yeah, if you was what she said. And we appreciate y'all a lot. So y'all, see y'all on the next video. Oh, and let us know what y'all want us to do. Like a challenge or something.
A fruit jello challenge.
A fruit jello challenge. All right, y'all. Peace.